How to use the Pluxee card in less than 3 minutes. Today I'm going to show you in this step-by-step guide exactly how to use your Pluxee card the right way so you won't get confused at checkout or wonder why your transactions aren't going through. If this is your first time using it, don't worry. By the end of this, you'll know everything you need to start spending it smoothly. First, you need to activate your Pluxee card before anything else. Open the Pluxee app on your phone and log in. If it's your first time, create an account using the same details provided by your employer. Once inside the app, look for your card icon and tap the option to activate it. It will ask for the last digits of your card and some basic information. After confirming, your card becomes ready to use within seconds, and you'll see the balance appear on the home screen. Next, check your balance and categories. Pluxee cards usually have specific allowances depending on your employer. Some amounts may be for meals, groceries, or selected stores. Open the app and look at your available balance, then tap on the card to see where you're allowed to use it. This prevents failed payments because you'll know exactly which merchants are supported and which categories are allowed for your card type. Now you can start using the card for payments. If you're paying in store, just insert or tap your Pluxee card to the checkout counter like a regular debit card. Some stores may require you to input a PIN, which you can find or change inside the app under card settings. If you're ordering online, check if the store accepts Pluxee. Then enter your card number, expiry date, and security code the same way you enter any card details. Make sure the purchase matches the allowed category so the transaction doesn't get rejected. If your payment fails, don't panic. The most common reasons are using the wrong category, insufficient balance, or unsupported merchants. Open the app and quickly refresh your balance. If everything looks correct, try a different store or switch to the category listed in the app. You can also reset your PIN in the app if the terminal keeps saying it's incorrect. Lastly, always monitor your transactions. Inside the Pluxee app, you'll see a history tab where every swipe and online purchase appears. This helps you track your spending and notice if anything looks wrong. The app updates instantly so you always know how much is left. If your company loads benefits monthly, you'll also see the next load date to help you manage your budget. By following these steps, you'll be able to use your Pluxee card confidently, avoid failed payments, and get the most out of your benefits without confusion.